All right, I want to thank you for joining me today. It is June 3rd, 2020, and you're watching Growth Dividend Investing with Joe Ball here using the Robinhood app. And we have an exciting video today. For the first time, I've reached the $2,000 mark for the portfolio. So we'll go over some of the different stocks that I purchased today to reach that $2,000 limit. We'll also go over the dividends that I'm currently tracking as far as what I'm making and that types of things. We'll also go over some comments from the last video and that types of thing. I would also like to take a moment to ask you to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. If you really like the video, please go out to a social media platform, whichever ones you use, and share this video. Really helps me get ranked up, really helps me get the channel out there to everybody. And then also, I would like to, run it by everybody that I'm using the app Robinhood to hold my dividend portfolio. If you use the link that I drop below in the comments, it'll get you a free stock and it'll get me a free stock, and I will open the free stocks on the air. If you want to see a free stock open, you can go back to video 7. I had a free stock in there. It's a pretty exciting thing. All right, and with that, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You need to make sure that you do your own diligence. This is me documenting my journey. I've made a goal for myself to reach $100 a month in dividend income, and this is me making videos about it. So with that, we'll go ahead and get into it today. So like always, I'm going to start the video off here with a short video of my two dogs. So we have Russell, which is the tan lab Weimaraner mix there, and we have James, which is the brown tab lab Weimaraner mix there. So we're just hanging outside today. We're getting some sun, enjoying the nice weather that we got going on today. James is going inside to the air conditioner to get cooled off there. All right, and they're definitely some good boys. So with that, we'll go ahead and get into it today. So currently the portfolio is sitting at $2,071.84. Currently on the day, I am going to be up $71 or 3.5%. On the week, I am up $34 or 1.6%. For the month, I am going to be up $251 or 13%. In the last 3 months, I am up $295 or 16%. And then for the all time, I am up $310 or 17%. I did start this portfolio under 1 year ago, so the all time and the year are both the same. So with that, we'll go ahead and get into it and look at a couple of the different purchases that I made today. If anybody was following the market, it was definitely riding high today. We finally hit that 26,000 mark, and we surpassed that. So I believe it was up right around 500 points today from what I've seen. So some of the things that I picked up today, like everybody knows, I'm not big on buying when the market's up. I tend to really look for the deals. I don't like overpaying for stocks. So a couple of the things that I picked up would be the first thing. I did pick up one ATT at 31.30. I love some ATT. They pay that 6 to 7% dividend ratio. So I like to buy them. Now, the other two purchases that I made today, neither of these are dividend stocks. They are basically stocks that I purchased for growth holds. So the first one is Taylor Brands. They're a marketer of suits and things like that. I purchased 20 shares at $1.28 a share. I hope to see some good growth out of them coming with all the retail opening back up and things like that. The next one I picked up was T2 Biosystems. And what I did there was I picked up 20 shares at $1.30 a share. So T2 Biosystems is a company that does different kind of genetic mappings and things like that. So it's kind of along the pharmaceutical line and stuff like that. they've grown quite a bit too in the last week or so. So I hope that they get some good growth going there, and I see a turnaround from that. All right, and the next thing we're going to look at today is going to be the dividends that I'm currently bringing in. So here's a look at a quick snapshot of the dividends that I got pending. Now, some of these I've already went over. Some of them I haven't. So these ones, the SPHD was the last one I got. I did recap that in the last video. Currently, I still have the Exxon one pending, and I have the Prudential pending. I also have a Realty Income dividend that popped up. That's just for one share, 23 cents on one share. Realty Income does pay monthly. It's a REIT. So I'm definitely excited about starting to get some dividends rolling in from them. I seen that the Realty Income, the ticker on that is O. That was up to $60 today. I wish I would have bought some more of it when it was down closer to 50. But with that market volatility in the retail space and just in residential and all them different types of real estate, I just wasn't comfortable sticking more money into Realty Income. All right, the next thing we're going to look at is going to be the total annually amount that I'm bringing in dividends. So with that one share of T that I bought today, we are currently up to 102.31. And remember, the other shares that I picked up today, the TaylorMade and the T2 Biosystems, neither of them are dividend stocks, so I purely bought them for growth potential. And on the total for my investing, I am currently at $1,736 in dividend incomes. So that is a different amount than what I have listed in Robinhood, because like today, I do buy some different stocks for growth potential too. So I'm not all about the dividends, so I do switch it up a little bit there. I think, maybe the next video I may go over some more of my growth stocks that I hold. Let me know, leave me a comment down below if you want to see, what growth stocks I'm buying and that type of thing, what I'm expecting to go up and that kind of stuff. All right, and then the next thing we're going to go over here is going to be the comments from the last video. So just a reminder, if you leave me a comment down below, I may pull it out and use it on the next video. So if you got any questions, anything like that, feel free to definitely leave them down below and I will pull them out and do my best to answer them in the upcoming video. So the first question comes from Said Ali. So he wrote, "It would be nice if one day Uber started paying dividends, claiming the referral stock is fun to watch. I hope one of these days I get an Apple stock." I couldn't agree with you more there. I wish that I would open up an Apple stock. I've heard of people getting a couple of free, well, a couple times people getting Microsoft, and I've also heard of Johnson and Johnson. The best one that I've opened up would have been Halliburton, I think. I also got an APA one, which is an oil stock. That was pretty good too. But man, I would love to get me an Apple or something like that. And then as far as Uber goes, depending on how long you've been around my channel, I do hold Uber for a long-term growth stock too. And I do think, one day when Uber gets big, so right now, the last time that I heard, Uber was still losing money year over year. So, looking back from history at the stock market, soon as a company changes that and they can break even and start to make a profit, typically their price skyrockets. So right there, then we're going to have that growth potential for Uber to just go through the roof, in my opinion. Then after that, once they start making that profit, I hope they turn on and start giving some dividends out. So I couldn't agree with you more. My only downfall to that would be I hope I can pick up some more stocks at Uber before that happens. All right, and then on to the next question. This is Galen Mast Investing. He says, episode 7 already. Heck 'em coming, man. Congrats on the $100 a year dividend achievement. That's something I'm working towards right now. So I want to thank you, for the support you're showing towards my channel there. Episode 7 already. I'm going to keep them coming. This one's episode 8. For those that have been following me, I made a goal to myself to make 10 videos in a row, Monday through Friday. So that's what this is. and I've been mulling it over, and I think I'm gonna probably extend that. I think I'm gonna do maybe a whole month in a row, every day a video, and just see how long I can keep pumping them out. And I also want to thank you on giving me that congrats on that $100 a year dividend achievement. It was a big one in my book, so I hope that I'll keep working towards it, and eventually it'll be that goal of that $100 a year or $100 a month dividend that I'm getting in there. And then also, I want to wish you the best in working towards your goals that you've set for yourself there. All right, and then the last comment I'm going to go over today comes from Dimitri, and he said, found this on episode 7, but I may just have to go back and start. Great video. I subscribed, and I'm happy to support a fellow small YouTuber. So, thanks, Dimitri, for all the support that you're giving me here. I'm really glad that you found it, even if it was on episode 7. And I would definitely encourage you to go back, click on the playlist and watch it from number 1 all the way through. And I'll keep pumping them out and keep adding them onto that playlist. I want to wish you the best, and I hope that your channel succeeds also. All right, so if you've made it this far in the video, I want to get you to go down below and definitely smash that like button. you know, Give me a subscribe, write me a comment, share this out to your social media platforms. Let's get this out there. Let's build this channel up and get a community going here. All right, so that's going to be the video for today. So like always, I want to remind you that getting rich isn't supposed to be quick. Don't forget to live your dreams. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.